Hello, good morning. See this object. This simple marker pen. See what happens when I throw this in upward direction. See again. See, it goes to some extent, then it falls down, following the same path. But what happens when I throw this in some angle towards you? See, it doesn't come to me. It falls down, following another path. Let us understand it by picture. When I throw the object in upward directions perpendicular to the surface of earth, it follows the same path and falls down, right? After reaching maximum height, it falls down. But when I throw the same object with some angle, let's theta, then it follows another path. But ultimately it falls down here, following another path. Now the conclusion is that everything that is thrown in upward directions will fall down. The question is why? Why it falls down? Why doesn't it go endlessly towards space? The reason is very simple. It is because of the gravitational force. Hello, my name is MD Zulfikar Ali Bhutto and I am an electrical engineer, completed my BTech from Kolkata in 2017. I belong to the Ramgarh, Jharkhand, and I have been teaching subjects like mathematics and physics. I have taught hundreds of students so far. Teaching is one of my hobby. Now let us come to the topic again. As I said that everything thrown in upward directions falls down. It is because of the gravitational force. Now the question is, what is gravitational force? So the gravitational force is defined as the force of attractions between any object. For example, if any object possesses mass, for example, let us take two objects, M1 and M2. Then we can mathematically deduce it in mathematical form. If M1 and M2 is separated by distance d, then we can write F is proportional to product of M1 and M2, and F is directly proportional to inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. So by combining these two, we can write F is directly proportional to M1 M2 by d square, or by removing this we can write G M1 M2 by d square. This proportionality sign is removed by a constant called universal gravitational constant. Universal gravitational constant. Gravitational constant. And its value is, the value of G is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Gravitational force is the force acting between any object. It means I am attracting a force. Actually, if there is a force of attraction between this object and me also. Force of attraction between you and me also. Any object possesses mass are attracting each other. Now the question is why they are not able to attract each other, means the distance between them is not reducing. Why? Because our masses is very small and the mass of earth is very large. Let us understand this value first. What does it mean? What does it imply? Let us take two objects having mass 1 kg each, 1 kg and 1 kg, and these two are separated by 1 meter distance. Then what is the force between these two? The force will be F is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton. And see, this force is very small. This force is very small. Okay, but if we will take the mass of earth, which is 10 to the power, mass of earth which is 10 to the power 24, or mass of moon which is 10 to the power 22, then this force will become too large. And that is why we are not able to attract any object, but earth is able to attract any object towards its gravitational area, gravitational pull. Okay, so that this is all about gravitational force in brief. Thank you for watching.